Hi, I'm Becky Johnson with Sweetheart Quilt Design Company, and we're back to have a little more fun with myth busting. So, one of the myths that I hear in quilting is that 1/8 inches are hard to cut, like that it's difficult to cut 2 7/8 or 3 3/8, and I just don't want to cut those. I'll cut it bigger and then just square it down. So, I have seen rulers, older rulers, that it is indeed very difficult to cut the 1/8 inches because the markings on the ruler were few and far between. But the ruler manufacturers have caught up with the times and so they're now marking them every inch. So if you can see on this ruler, so we have the inch lines are very easy to use. And then the 1/2 inch lines you can see right there, or this one has the 1/2 inch on the other side, and then you can use the inch lines. And then here's 1/4 inch, so 1 1/4 right there. Then these lines, and they're smaller but yet very visible, are the 1/8 inch lines. So if you need to cut 2 7/8, then we have 1 inch, 2 inches. And then these are 1/8, so there's 8 little sections in there. So 7/8 would be the one right before the next full inch. And you can see that with just a tiny bit more effort, these 1/8 inch lines are just as easy to use as the 1/2 inch lines or the 1/4 inch lines, and almost as easy as the inch lines. So don't be afraid of them. It'll save you from having to do squaring down if you don't like it. A lot of people like to square down or square up, whichever way you want to think of it. But I personally would rather just cut it accurately and sew accurately and not have to trim it. But anyway, you don't have to be afraid of it. It's just another marking on the ruler. Thanks a bunch. See you next time.